Dear student, today discuss the traveling salesman problem and solve with the help of dynamic approach. So after solving the traveling salesman problem using the dynamic approach, first discuss what is the traveling salesman problem and what is the definition of traveling salesman problem. The definition of traveling salesman problem means we travel source node to all node of the graph, but all node travel exactly once and return to source node. This process is called traveling salesman process. And path, several paths are exist source to different node, but that path are select their path value is minimum. So traveling salesman solve by several of techniques like greedy approach, several approaches like greedy approach, dynamic approach, branch and bound approach, and traveling sales inequality problem. But here we discuss traveling salesman problem using dynamic approach. The dynamic approach, in this approach, we solve a traveling salesman problem by bottom-up approach. In this method, the question, information provided by the problem first provide the cost matrix or a graph with value of weight and direction. If graph provided with value of weight and direction, then we compute cost matrix using this graph. After computing the cost matrix of given directed weighted graph, then we apply the formula, dynamic formula Gi, comma S, minimum J element of S, Cij, G, J, comma S minus J. Now, in this formula, J denoted a graph, I is starting point, source node point, and S total number of set we can travel from I node to these possible set. So we calculate all possible path value cost and the solution is optimal up in among this calculation. So we solve this problem. First we calculate the cost matrix. After we calculating the cost matrix, we apply the dynamic formula of this traveling salesman problem. Now, suppose that source node equal to 1 is given in the problem. So 1 travel, source node 1 to travel 2 comma 3 comma 4. So j equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, we have option, we have travel 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. 3 possible combination are exist. So we apply I equal to 1 and we suppose we select j value travel from one node to node 2. So value of I equal to 1 and value of j equal to 2. According to formula, Cij means C1 comma 2 plus G plus G, value of J selected is 2, so G equal to 2 and value subtracted from S minus J means set में से 2 comma 3 comma we selected from this and 2 comma 3 comma 4. Similarly, if we select from source node to 1 to third node, we travel 1 to third, then I value equal to 1, j equal to 3. According to this, cost matrix C1 comma 3 plus G 3 comma 2 comma 4. Similarly, we travel from 1 to 4, so G I equal to 1 and j equal to 4, to C1 comma 4 G4 comma 2 comma 3. Now we find the value of cost value of C1 comma 2 means the value of from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 equal to 1. Similarly 1 comma 3, 1 to 3 means 1 to 3, value of 1 to 3 equal to 6. Similarly 1 to 4 equal to 6. The values given in the graph are the cost matrix. But this graph G2 comma 3 comma 4 have two options. From node 2 to travel 3 comma 4, and also here two options. 3 can travel 2 node or 4 node. Similarly 4 node can travel node 2 and node 3. Then again we apply the formula of this node and solve the value of this. Similarly solve the value of this and find the optimum cost of the path. Then we calculate the value of G2 comma 3 comma 4 means I started from 2 I source node and 2 node have option 2 if source node 2 to travel node 3 or node travel node 4. If we travel on node 3, then according to formula I equal to 2 j equal to 3, we can write here C2 3 G3 comma 4 and C2 comma 4 G4 comma 3. Now here two conditions. G3 2 comma 3 cost value is given, 2 comma 4 is cost value given, but G3 comma 4 have only one option, but it can solve. We travel 3 to 4 and or 4 to 3. If we can travel 3 to 4, then first solve G3 comma 4 minimum j element J3 C3 comma 4 J4 comma 5 null set. So 3 comma 4 value cost value here put and 4 comma 5 is initialized if we travel on source node. No option here for node. Then we can write C4 comma 1. So we calculate value 3 and C4 1 equal to 8 equal to 11. After solving this, then we can calculate the value of G234 C23 G3 comma 4 equal to 16. G2 comma 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 3. We calculate the value, minimum value of this 11, put value of 11 minimum there and then calculate 2 comma 3 comma 4 equal to 16. So similarly we calculate value of 4 comma 3 equal to 15, 2 comma 3 comma 4 value, two value is given 16 and 19. G3 comma 2 comma 4 minimum j element S provide the result. Similarly 2 comma we calculate all values according to formula and put 3 comma 2 comma 4 value 22 and 17, 4 comma 2 3 equal to value, we calculated the value here equal 2 comma 3 equal to 13. And after calculating this value, we put here value C1 comma 2 plus 16, one value C1 comma 2 equal to 1 plus 16 equal to 17. Similarly, C1 comma 3 plus 17 equal to 6 plus 17 equal to 23. And C1 comma 4 plus 18 equal to 6 plus 18 equal to 20. According to this algorithm, minimum cost of three possible paths is 17. So the solution of this traveling salesman problem using dynamic approach equal to 70. Now, next we draw the path. So, for finding this value, first one node, travel to second node, 1 to 2. Then the next two started from option have 3 to 4. The value of 2 to 3 to 4, 2, 3 to 4, two value possible 16 and 19. If follow 2 to 3 and 2 to 4, if follow 2 to 3, the value is 16 minimum. So G2 3, 4 value equal to 16. Now value of C2, 3, 4 and we travel 2 to 3. After traveling 3, we have option 3, we have option after calculating the value 4, 2, 3 is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. By default this sequence. Now we check total sum equal to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. Because 1 to 2, next 2 to 3 or 3 to 4, 4 to 1. We calculate the each round 1 to 2 path value. Given graph 1 से 2 equal to 1. ठीक है, and 2 to 3 equal to 5. 2 to 5 equal to 5 and 3 to 4 equal plus 3 and 4 to 1. इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दीजिए, डायरेक्शन रॉन्ग है, ये 4 to 1 equal to 8. इससे क्या है, तो वैल्यू ऑफ 1 + 5 + 3 इक्वल टू 9, 9 + 8 17. Value of this equation equal to 17. This is example of traveling salesman dynamic approach. It provides the exact solution. Now traveling salesman also solve with the help of greedy approach and branch and bound approach. In greedy approach, we solve all possible paths from source to travel, source to all other nodes, and all nodes are calculated. After calculating this, we find the optimal solution. But using the dynamic approach, we find exact optimal solution. Thank you.